Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a stop motion video by using InShot app. Let's start. At first you have to open your InShot app. Now tap on video, then tap on new, and in here select your photos. After selecting the photos, tap on the check mark and then you guys will find out your photos in your timeline. And in here, if you want to change the position of your photos, you guys can also do it by tapping on here like this. And then I'm going to change the position of this picture to make it adjust with the video, and then let's see if it is okay or not. And here I'm going to customize the canvas also, and then let's scroll like this, and in here tap on duration, then lower it like this. Now tap on here and then you guys will see apply to all. Tap on here and then you guys can find out the pictures into a stop motion video. You guys can also customize the duration by tapping on here like this, and then select the numbers that you want to add as your duration. I'm going to select this number and then step on here. Now let's apply to all, and then you guys will find out the pictures into a video. So this is how you guys can create a stop motion video by using InShot app. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.